After we added our cabinets in the video Placing Cabinets, we want to add some appliances to our kitchen. We'll start by placing the range. Let's click on the Library Parent button, then the Fixtures Interior button. This directs our library browser to the Interior Fixtures folder. As you can see, there are many appliances that can add to your home designs. Let's click Appliances, then Ranges to bring up the ranges in the library. You will find both drop-in, which are placed in a cabinet, and standalone ranges. Since we already have a cabinet, we'll select this one from drop-in. Now, all we have to do is click on the cabinet we want it in. We'll also go to the Hood library and add a hood above the range. Let's also place a refrigerator. We want to have a sink in this cabinet here, so let's go over to the library and move down until we see Plumbing. We'll open it and go to Sinks, Kitchen Sinks with Fixtures, and we'll select the double. Let's place it in the cabinet by selecting it and clicking on the cabinet.